The Vice President of India, M. Venkaiah Naidu, attended the concluding session of the World Hindu Congress held to commemorate 125 years of Swami Vivekananda's Chicago speech and said that Swami Vivekananda's messages still reverberate across India and are relevant till today. Addressing the second edition of World Hindu Congress on the occasion of the 125 years of Swami Vivekananda's address at the World Parliament of Religions, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu said that the world's Parliament of Religions emerged as a celebration of the rich diversity in religions and cultural beliefs around the world.
It brought the world together to understand different world views. It deepened our appreciation of the common quest for peace, harmony that human beings have been engaged in from time immemorial. Swami Vivekananda's address at this parliament has been incredibly influential.
Vice President said that the extraordinary vision of ancient India encapsulates a message that is timeless and eternally relevant because it is holistic, integrated and universal. Stressing on the uniqueness of India, he said that whenever the world is faced with the threats of fragmentation, conflict, hatred and irrational prejudices, the Indian voice brings to the world the soothing, inclusive perspectives that have pervaded its cultural world for more than 2 millennia.
Spiritual well springs that have sustained the world over many centuries. We in India feel proud that such a voice that stirred the hearts and minds of delegates in the conference 125 years ago still reverberates and strikes a deep resonance in many people across the globe. It does so, in my view, because of the extraordinary vision of ancient India that encapsulates a message that seems timeless.
Vice President said that the messages of tolerance, acceptance, unity and plurality, of love, compassion, service, charity, gender equality, poverty alleviation and protection of the environment that exponents like Swami Vivekananda have spread across the world embody timeless values that are more relevant today than ever before. We should ensure that these values are further reinforced through behavior and action.
Sustainable development without peace. If there is a tension, there cannot be attention. Progress cannot be reached without peace. So peace and progress, they go together. So we must always take peaceful methods and then treat every human being as our brethren and also treat every creature as our own. India is also moving on an ambitious reform agenda that seeks to transform people's lives. At this juncture, the values we all cherish as Indians can be the guide posts of our individual growth and collective advancement.
Saying that India is also moving on an ambitious reform agenda that seeks to transform people's lives, Vice President said that at this juncture, the values we all cherish as Indians can be the guideposts for our individual growth and collective enhancement. The second edition of the World Hindu Congress attracted delegates, participants from across the world. Members from Suriname, Fiji, Mauritius, Thailand and members of several voluntary organizations also attended the event.
Vice President said that Swami Vivekananda's address at the World Parliament of Religions still reverberates in India. He said that Indians are proud and the impact of that speech is still resonating in India. With camera person Dushmanta from Chicago, Rajkamal Rao, Rajya Sabha TV.